If you've been 3D printing for a while now, you probably know that increasing infill is not the best way to increase the strength of your parts. And plot twist, it's not about increasing the number of walls either. This print with 2 walls is actually stronger than this print with 6 walls. But why is that? It's because orientation matters, and there's one more setting that you need to take into account. First, let's go back to the basics of strength of materials. Cross-section and orientation matter. Vertical cross-section like this is much stronger than a horizontal cross-section like this. So depending on whether or not your part is rotated when you print it, you'll either adjust the number of walls or the number of top and bottom shells. So here's where it gets meaty and maybe a little bit confusing. So this part, when it's being used, will be in this orientation here. And if we increase the number of walls, we get 2 nice beams like so. However, we can't really print this part in this orientation. Now, when we lay the part on its side and increase the number of walls, we're not really increasing material where it matters. We're just adding material to the top and bottom flat portions of the beam. So here's the key takeaway. If your part is rotated 90 degrees on your build plate, don't increase the number of walls. Increase the number of top and bottom shells. Let's go ahead and put this to a real test. Here is a print with default print settings. It's not very strong. Now here's the same object, but in the slicer, I increased the wall count to 6 walls. It's definitely a lot stronger, but it doesn't have as strong of a strength to weight ratio as increasing the number of top and bottom shells. The second 2 prints weigh exactly the same, aka have the same amount of material, but in this third print, I increased the top and bottom shells, and it is by far the strongest.